Hey guys, it's Mohammed here from Tekka Reviews, and in today's video I have the Amazon Fire HD10, Amazon's 10-inch 1080p tablet that lets you download your favorite apps and comes with the Alexa personal assistant built in. As always guys, if you liked today's video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the Fire HD10 is pretty much a tablet that lets you browse the net and stream your favourite movies and TV shows through Prime, Netflix or YouTube. You can also download apps and games, but judging by the sound of how this review is going, if you're like me, you're probably thinking, great, another tablet that does exactly the same as everything else on the market, right? Well, surprisingly, the Fire HD tablet has a lot more to offer and, in my opinion, provides a lot more features than some of the higher tier price tablets out there. Don't get me wrong, this device also has its drawbacks as well, and we'll be discussing this in a lot more detail later on throughout the video. Including the bog standard browser, apps and games, you also have access to the Amazon bookstore, where you can download your favourite titles, as well as access to Audible, where you can listen to audio tapes from some of the best authors in the industry. In addition to this, the device also comes with the Alexa personal assistant built in, which is great for answering questions, playing music, organising your day and controlling your smart devices at home. In terms of the product breakdown, you get the 10-inch 1080p HD display, which weighs roughly around 500 grams. On top you get the power button, volume control buttons, one headphone jack and one USB Type-C input. On the side you get the micro SD card insert, which supports up to 512 GB of additional storage, which is great to add on top of the 32 gig internal memory. You also get a 2 megapixel front and rear facing camera, which can record videos in 720p HD. Going deeper into the technology, Amazon claimed the device is 30% faster due to the 2.0 GHz octa-core processor and 2 GB of RAM. Finally, the device can also support dual band Wi-Fi and can last up to 12 hours of product usage. Inside the box, you get the Fire HD tablet, as well as one USB charging cable, one power adapter, and instructions on how to set up your device. The setup process is also pretty straightforward. Once the device is powered on, start by selecting your language and then your country's location. Next, select your Wi-Fi connection and then log in with your Amazon account. Once done, you should be good to go from here. The Fire OS user interface is pretty slick and easy to use, and you can navigate through the different menus by swiping left or right. By default, you are provided with the homepage where you can find your favourite apps and options. To download games and apps, you will need to do this through the Amazon App Store, which is also neatly organised and easy to use. You also have other menus like books, apps, music, the Amazon Store and much more. When streaming videos, the Fire HD tablet does a great job doing this, and although there isn't 4K or AMOLED, the colours are still looking great on this device. Now for some drawbacks. If I'm comparing this to a popular device like the iPad 10-inch, then I'd probably start with the material and build quality. The iPad feels like a premium product, especially with its aluminium structure, as opposed to the plastic material used for the Fire HD. For hardware, you also get a lot more that the Fire HD is missing, such as better cameras and fingerprint sensors. Finally, in comparison to the Apple App Store, the Amazon App Store isn't remotely close to the number of apps you can download. Furthermore, you also don't have access to the Google Play Store either. As the Fire OS is built off Android, I was kinda hoping that the Play Store would have been available, but unfortunately this isn't the case. Overall, if you're looking for a tablet that can perform the standard features of browsing, downloading apps and streaming videos, then you should probably consider looking for a cheaper alternative. However, if you're looking for a tablet that also provides you with a library of books alongside a virtual assistant, then you should definitely consider the Amazon Fire HD. Yes, the iPad has a lot more advantages, but if you're on a budget like I am and don't really want to spend hundreds on an iPad, then the Fire HD10 is a great choice for you to purchase. In terms of pricing, you can pick up the Fire HD10 tablet from Amazon for around £150, and I've also added the link to purchase in the description below. But that's all from me guys. Is the Amazon Fire HD10 a tablet that you would purchase, or would you rather get a cheaper alternative? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tekka Reviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.